Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can explode the power plant on Brookhaven. So I'm just going to go to the power plant here. Hopefully nobody has destroyed it yet. It's behind the airport. So I'm just going to go there. Okay. Once you're in here, I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to get the explosives. This one. I'm just going to place it like near where it is and just going to set it off. And then here as well, put it here. And set that off. And then, okay, I guess the generator has been blown off too. You're going to do that to the generator as well. Oh, wrong room. Oh, okay. And then you're going to go to the waste room. You're going to turn this on. Then you're going to climb up these stairs like so. And then you're going to go here, go in this room, and make sure everything is off here. So as you can see, the red light means it's off. If it's green, you're just going to turn it off. Someone turn it. I think somebody already turned everything off, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, just make sure every light is red, okay? Then you're going to go to the very top, and you're going to jump here. You're going to go to this room, go down, go to the left, and then go right, go to the reactor mode here, and then you're just going to press this, and you're just going to, yeah. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.